Hey everybody, welcome back to BigRedEDC. Well, today we're going to take a look at what I think is it's a pretty cool knife in my opinion. To be perfectly honest with you, yes, it is a Rough Ryder, and yes, it is the Rough Ryder Carnivore Jack. And you can see right on there, it says the Meat Eater's Pocket Knife. Now, we'll see in just a minute what they mean by that. But personally, the coolest thing I think about the Carnivore Jack is it comes with its very own clip slip. Black leather. You got the Rough Ryder logo on it. And I mean, not only can you carry the Carnivore Jack in it, but any little pocket knife, it would pretty much fit in there, which I think that's absolutely awesome. I mean, I'll get this right out of the way. The Carnivore Jack, $14.99. Just, again, great price for an awesome little knife, but especially with this one because of what it comes with. And it's highly versatile in its use. So I think that is just absolutely awesome. But there you go. Kind of give you a little bit better look at the slip itself. Seems like fairly solid construction. Your clip's in there pretty darn well. It appears to be like riveted down here and then stitched in. So very, very cool. Digging that a lot. But now, to the actual knife itself. You see there, you got the black smooth bone covers. And this one, you know, they're never all the same. There's a little bit of lightening or darkening, depending on which one you get. I bet not any of them look exactly the same, which that in itself is kind of cool. But nickel silver pins, nickel silver shield, hand built. This one is really pretty darn good as far as, you know, every once in a while you'll find one that's got, you know, a little bit of gap. But if you check that out, it's pretty good. You got a little one there, but I mean, I tell you what, for a $15 knife, that is pretty darn good. You got your slant R bolsters, pinched and lined bolsters as well with that slant R. Pins, and look how smooth and retracted your pins are. Flush, better word, excuse me. Nice flush pins. Your transitions are awesome. That one you get a little, no, I'm actually catching that. That's what I was catching. I was catching the line on the slant bolster. I wasn't catching the transition. Just super well done. Now, the biggest reason why this is called the Carnivore Jack is not this. Sorry. You got two, this is a 2-clip bladed model. You got this nice elongated clip point. You got the matte strike pulls, which you all know I like. Nice swedge there out on the clip. There you go. You got your Rough Ryder logo. RR 2020. 440C stainless steel. I've got a polished finish on this blade, which kind of has some finger junk on it. So there you go. Give you a little bit better look without my nasty old fingerprints on it. Not too bad. Half stop. The pull on that one is, it's got a nice snap to it though. I'd give the pull probably not quite a 5. Not a bad walk and talk on that one, but this is what makes it the Carnivore Jack. Your very own traditional pocket knife, steak knife. I think that's cool. I don't know about you guys, but the serrated blade on that, it's a pretty much take it anywhere steak knife. There again, half stop. Definitely back spring has got a little more, whoops, where'd it go? There we go. Now the pull on that one is probably more onto a 6. Pretty close. Nice snap on that back spring for sure. Overall build quality it seems to be really nice on this. Brass liners. I mean, my goodness. How can you go wrong for 15 bucks with a knife like this? Not only knife, but the knife and the clip slip. That's just pretty darn cool to me. Let's see what we got for overall. We'll get our specs. Do our quick little spec check. 1, 2, 3, not quite 4 inches. We're going to go 3 7/8. Closed. Fully open. It's going to give us about a 3-inch blade. So we're talking about 6 7/8 fully open. And it's pretty much the same. Let's double check. Pretty sure the other blade is exactly the same. The only difference is the one is serrated. Yeah, pretty much. Pretty much right in there. Again, excuse me. Matte strike pull on the serrated blade. I just think that's too darn cool. You can pretty much take this. I mean, I would have no issue using this in a restaurant. Sorry, I wouldn't. It's nice. It's a classy looking little knife. I'm sure any restaurant you're going to go into is going to give you a steak knife. But I've had it happen where they haven't. And you can ask for one. You just pop this puppy out of your pocket. Go to town. Why wait, right? It's your steak. You want to eat it right then and there. But there you go, guys. That has been the Rough Ryder Carnivore Jack. Comes with that awesome leather clip slip. Hope y'all have enjoyed this one as much as I enjoyed showing it to you, because I really did. I think it's a cool little knife. As always, guys, like, subscribe, leave me that comment. You know I love talking to y'all. Until next time, I'll talk to y'all later. Bye-bye.